half-mark questions from the chapter Nutrition. The plants are examples of autotrophs. Then write an example for heterotrophs. The answer is human beings. You can also write the names of any animal. The next question is, what is the main process involved in the given picture? In the picture, a green plant in the presence of sunlight utilizing carbon dioxide and water to synthesize glucose. In this process, the oxygen is also released. This process is called as photosynthesis. Hence, the answer is photosynthesis. The next question is, fill the flowchart given below. A flowchart is given with the events that takes place in human digestive system. Ingestion, dash, absorption and defecation. So after the ingestion of food, the digestion takes place. Hence, the answer is digestion. The next question is, fill the blank in the given sentence. All the digestive juices contain enzymes except it refers that what is the digestive juice that does not contain enzymes. The answer is bile juice. The next question is, find out the wrong enzyme and rewrite it. Amylase helps in the digestion of carbohydrates, whereas lipase helps in the digestion of proteins. There are two enzymes mentioned in this para, amylase and lipase. Amylase helps in the digestion of carbohydrates. It is the right enzyme. Whereas lipase helps in digestion of proteins. The lipase is the wrong enzyme which is mentioned here. Hence, the answer is pepsin or trypsin in the place of lipase. The next question is, I am a parasitic plant and depend on host plant for food and water. Who am I? The best example for parasitic plant is Cuscuta. You can also write the names of any parasitic plants. The next question is, expand ATP. The expansion of ATP is adenosine triphosphate. Once again, adenosine triphosphate. The next question is, find out the mismatched one from the following pairs. There are three pairs given. Salivary glands is to proteins, liver is to fats, pancreas is to proteins. We have to find out which pair is mismatched. Pancreas secretes pancreatic juice which contains the enzymes to digest proteins, whereas the liver helps for the emulsification of fats. But the salivary glands secrete saliva which contains an enzyme called amylase that digests carbohydrates but not the proteins. So, the answer is salivary glands is to proteins. This is the wrongly matched one. The next question is, match the following: riboflavin, retinol and tocopherol, whereas the other side consists of night blindness, sterility and glossitis. The deficiency of riboflavin leads to glossitis, whereas the deficiency of retinol leads to night blindness and the deficiency of tocopherol leads to sterility. Hence, the answer is 1 is to C, 2 is to A and 3 is to B. Let us see the next question. Amoeba is to pseudopodia, so as paramecium is to dash. The question explains that amoeba acquires the food with the help of pseudopodia, whereas paramecium takes the help of which part of its cell body? That is cytostome. The next question is, Find out the group which contains all the fat-soluble vitamins. There are two groups, Group A and Group B. Group A consists of A, D, E and K, whereas Group B consists of A, B, C and K. Group A is the right answer because A, D, E and K vitamins are the fat-soluble vitamins. Let us see the next question. Expand NADP. The answer is nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide phosphate. Once again, nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide phosphate. The next question is, which part of the leaf performs photosynthesis in the given picture? So this is the Moll's half-leaf experiment. A leaf is selected, half of its part is inserted into the bottle. So we have to mention the part of the leaf in which the photosynthesis takes place. Inside the bottle there is KOH, potassium hydroxide, which removes the carbon dioxide from the bottle. Hence, the part of the leaf which is inside the bottle does not perform photosynthesis. But the right answer is the part of the leaf which is outside of the bottle, which performs photosynthesis. The next question is, which group of the substances are enzymes? Group A, insulin, hydrochloric acid, bile pigments. Group B, pepsin, amylase and lipase. The group A consists of an hormone, acid and pigments, whereas the group B contains pepsin, amylase, lipase, which are named as enzymes. Hence, the right answer is group B, pepsin, amylase and lipase. Let us see the next question. Light reaction is to grana, so as dark reaction is to dash. It refers that light reaction takes place in grana, then where does dark reaction occur? The right answer is stroma. It is a part of chloroplast, a fluid part of the chloroplast which takes over dark reaction in the process of photosynthesis. The next question is, what is the substance used to test the starch? Iodine solution is the right answer. The next question is, find out the wrong pair. Vitamin A, xerophthalmia, vitamin C, scurvy, vitamin D, beriberi. The right answer is vitamin D, beriberi, because the deficiency of vitamin D leads to rickets, not the beriberi. The next question is, in Moll's half-leaf experiment, potassium hydroxide is taken in the bottle to remove oxygen from the bottle. Rewrite the sentence by correcting the underlined word. Here, the underlined word is oxygen. We have to rewrite the word which is underlined, that is oxygen. The answer is, in Moll's half-leaf experiment, KOH is taken in the bottle to remove carbon dioxide but not the oxygen from the bottle. The next question is, identify the gland indicated as X in the given diagram. In this diagram, there is a gland which is indicated as X. We have to name it. This gland is named as liver. The next question is, what does this diagram indicate? This diagram indicates the peristaltic movement in esophagus. We can just write the peristaltic movement.